When life comes to an end, it doesn't happen all at once. The final moment is quite gentle, almost still. The heart beats once last time, the lungs release their final breath, and the body begins its journey beyond life. In just seconds, the body becomes silent, the circulation stops, no more blood flows, no more oxygen is carried, the cells one by one begin to change. The brain is the last part to fade. Even after the heart stops, an electrical spark fire for few minutes. Memories, sensation, thoughts slowly dissolve into silence. Without circulation, the body begins to cool. It slips away into the surrounding air until the body becomes one with the temperature of the world around it. In the hours that follow, the muscles stiffen. The fingers, the jaw, the eyelids, they freeze into place. A moment of stillness known as rigor mortis. Life exists in balance, and when life ends, the body begins to return to where it came from. Cells break down, tissues soften, nature begins her work softly, patiently. Nothing in nature is ever lost. Every particle of the body, every atom that once formed a heartbeat will become a part of the world again. It is not an ending, it is a transition, a return to the universe that shaped us. And that return, there is a peace.